students, Sai Ram. I hope you all are enjoying your holidays. Now you have to start your studies. Okay, after studies, you are getting bored. So let's do drawing. Today I am going to teach you drawing, and our topic is very nice topic, that is butterflies in the garden. So you all are ready? Be ready with your plain paper or plain book, whatever book or paper you have at home it is available. Okay students, I am going to show you our first step. Here see, I am having a plain book, okay, and first you are going to write heading. What is the title? Butterfly. BUTTERFL. Butterflies. IES. In garden you can see so many butterflies. Okay. Butterflies in the garden. 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 Do underline nicely. Okay students, I hope you can see properly. Yes. Now see, as you can see picture over here below the screen, I am going to show you. Okay, first step you have to draw with pencil. Okay students, with a pencil you have to draw with pencil. I am going to show you now. I am going to make nice flower. One flower. See, this way you have to draw nicely. Any shape of flower you can draw. Okay students? Here flower. Okay, then leaves. One, two, three, four. Okay, four leaves. Afterwards, do make a base. That is garden base. Okay, here also just make a base, little curve. Okay students, and then I made here big flower. Afterwards you can make small flower. Here also leaf, here also leaf. Okay, then afterwards one more flower. Okay, here different flower. In garden you can see different types of flowers. Yes students, it looks so beautiful. So you can make any flower if you want. Okay, it's not necessary same what teacher is making, I am also going to do the same. You can put your own ideas. Okay, different flowers you can make. I like this flower, so I made this. Here one more small flower. Okay students, I hope you can do at home to practice. Now here one more little big flower. Again same flower I am making. This is very simple. Okay, inside one more small circle. Here also make a stem. one big leaves. Flower petals should be little big, students, then only you can do coloring properly. Okay, then here small grasses. Okay, as your wish. Then I'm going to make here little different flower. Okay, make a U over here. I hope you all know how to make U nicely. Little mistake, you can take the eraser and rub it. Okay, make U. Okay, make here this way design. Okay, students. Okay, I'm going to make here one more flower. Before that, I would like to draw leaves, big leaves, that is long leaves. Okay, here also I am going to make a flower, nice flower. Okay, students, here this flower also same design, little big, and it should be visible. Students, don't make small. Always make big flower so that you can do proper coloring. Okay, now down here one small flower. Okay, here small grasses. You can see in the garden there are small grasses. Okay, students. Afterwards, our main is butterfly. Make half semicircle, curve. Okay, make a curve over here, then full circle. Look properly, students. I'm drawing very slowly. Then here you can make small wings of butterfly. Okay, when it flies, how it looks. Here side one more wings of butterfly. Okay, students, inside the wings you can make design over here very nicely. Any design you want, you can make it. Here antenna of this butterfly, 2 antennas, eyes, nose, and small smiley. Okay, this is my butterfly. Now here one more butterfly is coming. One more butterfly is coming towards this side. Again make a curve, then this way. Okay, eyes, small smiley, 2 antennas. Okay, students, wings of butterfly, this way, then this way. Okay, I hope you can see properly. Again this way. Okay, one curve up, keep some distance over here, another curve this way. Okay, towards your left side, slight curve, and little bended curve this way. Okay, students, now make a design this way nicely. Here also make design. Okay, when it flies, how it looks. One more wings we can see. So one more wings we are going to make design. Okay, make your own design as your wish. Okay, students, as your wish, you can make one more design, any design, whatever you like. Okay, I made this design over here. This butterfly is flying this side, this butterfly is flying this side. They are just discussing where to sit on which flower. Okay, now one more little big butterfly I am going to make. This butterfly is going to fly over, going to sit over this big flower. Again I made a curve, okay, small leaf shape, body of the butterfly. Afterwards, small circle, that is the head of the butterfly. Then two antennas. Never forget to put antennas, okay, of the butterflies. Then eyes, nose, and small smile face. Okay, here also, here I am going to make little different wings. First, like a flower petal, you make this way. Okay, students, here like a flower petal. Then make a curve towards your right. Okay, then make a design like M shape design, small m. Okay, leave. Again make a design, small M shape. Stop here. Then down, here you can see down. Just draw a small line, another design this way. Okay, and then joined it, and then joined it. Now how I made here M all over. Yes, so do one thing, you have to join these lines here. 1 2 3, any design you can make, students. See, this way you can join it. Now when butterfly flies, the wings, another wing also it looks this way, M shape you have to make, and then curve and then line, as your wish. Okay, this way you completed your drawing with the pencil. Okay students, I hope you understood. Yes, I hope you understood. Now next step is you have to use, second step, you have to use sketch pen. Now here, with the help of this sketch pen, you have to do outline. Let's do outline. See, I am having a black sketch pen. Okay, why to do outline? Because it look neat. Outline, it get attracted. Okay students, very nicely you have to do here outline. Where there is pencil, there only you have to draw, do outline properly. It look very neat and beautiful. Okay students, here also very nicely you have to draw. Okay, see, below this picture, below the screen, you can see how beautiful it looks. I done with the sketch pen. I am showing you how to do. Very nice it is. Then butterfly. Any design, again and again I am saying students, you can do any design. You have to make the base of this garden. Okay, do outline properly. If you have done with the pencil, easily you can do outline with your sketch pen. Okay, now flower, small flower. Any flowers you can make. You can make rose, lily, sunflower, any flower. Okay, in garden you can see different types and different colors of flowers. Okay students, marigold, shoe flower, hibiscus, any flower you can make. Now down, base, for this I forgot to make a leaf. Here you can make a leaf, long leaf. Okay, small flower, okay students, nicely you have to do at home. When you get bored, you have to do this. Don't trouble your parents. Do drawing practice, do coloring at home. Any paper, any book. Okay, it at home you have plain book, then no problem, it's very good. But don't trouble your parents. Do outline nicely. Okay, always remember, after drawing with a pencil, you have to do outline with sketch pen, so that for you only it will be easy to do coloring. Okay students, okay, this way I completed doing outline. I hope you understood how to do outline. Yes? So students, this way we completed our first part. Okay, first you have to draw with the pencil, then you have to do outline with the sketch pen. And second part I will show you how to do coloring. Wow, it looks so beautiful. You also tried. Very good. Okay students, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Sai Ram.